Welcome to another exciting episode of Look What's on the Beach. We got a few things. This thing is frozen. It looks wet. Well, that's pretty cool. It's a loony. So basically our money will dissolve into nothing once it gets into the ocean. Neat. The little baby died. Aww. Poor teeny baby. There's a periwinkle. All washed up on the beach. Dude, you're gonna die. Now, he probably won't die. But just in case, we can go put him in a tide pool. There's a nice little spot for you. Enjoy, snails. These are actually carnivorous, and they will eat our native snails. These are our native snails. And those cute little pretty things will eat them. It was a beautiful day at the beach in February. Very cold and very frozen, but that just kind of makes it more fun sometimes. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, all that good stuff. Thanks. Bye.